In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how drive, determination, and passion are the keys to business success. Anybody can become an entrepreneur. However, those who can find success in their ventures all possess the same three common characteristics. Successful entrepreneurs, no matter what their business is or the ideas they have, all possess drive, determination, and passion for what they do. 1. Drive. Drive is an inner quality that not everyone possesses. It is a person's drive that encourages them to buck the status quo and not want to be mediocre in what they do. It is a quality that few people possess. Successful entrepreneurs are determined to accomplish a higher purpose in life that pushes them into leaping into being their own boss. Entrepreneurs know that there are numerous journeys one can take to lead a fulfilling life, and that each of those journeys begins with a drive. 2. Determination. Anyone can have a significant business idea. Some people will succeed in bringing their ideas to fruition, while others will fail. It is the strong-minded individual who can harness their drive and is willing to act on it with determination. A truly successful person is one who won't throw in the towel when things get tough. Life isn't always easy, and seldom is it fair. Without the determination to reach higher goals, you can't expect to find success as an entrepreneur. 3. Passion. Every person is passionate about something. Whether it's a passion for business, family, or your favorite sports team, everyone has a passion. The passion of an entrepreneur, along with their drive and determination, is often what makes a business venture successful. You may be driven and have an ample amount of determination, but without a passion for what you do, you will never find success. Your passion is what fuels your confidence and creates excitement in your business. Maintaining your passion for helping others with your business services or products is vital to your success. Being an entrepreneur isn't an easy endeavor. It takes a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. These three qualities, along with your hard work, can help you succeed in business and in life.